This is the FaceFacts Soothing Facial Toner, and today I'm going to dissect this product by telling you about its benefits, how it should be used, when it should be used, and at what point should you incorporate this or any toner for that matter into your skincare routine. First things first, this toner bears some resemblance to the simple soothing facial toner. Just look at the color choices on the packaging. Besides the container shape, there are a lot of similarities. Now, I don't want to say they copied simple, but maybe they got inspired. After all, companies get inspired by other companies, just like people get inspired by other people, like actors, musicians, or athletes, right? So on the front of both items, here are the similarities, product type. Both are explicitly called soothing facial toner, right? The purpose, well, both aim to soothe the skin. Both products are proudly alcohol free. Both are 200 ml in size. So let's focus on our main product at hand, which is the FaceFacts Soothing Facial Toner. We all know what toners are and when to use them, right? Well, just for the benefit of doubt, let me give you a quick lesson just to be sure we're on the same page. Toners in skincare are products used to rebalance the skin's pH, remove leftover dirt or oil after cleansing. Cleansing is the first stage. Remember, there are at least 5 steps in the standard skincare regimen. So let's take it again from the top. Toners in skincare are products used to rebalance the skin's pH, remove leftover dirt or oil after cleansing, and prepare the skin for subsequent products. Now, subsequent products in this case are serums. Yes, to put it simply, toners prepare and calms the skin to receive serums. I said serums here because you can use more than one at a time depending on your skincare goals or skin concerns. Some use hyaluronic acid serums, vitamin C, niacinamide, all separately. Yes, serums are meant to be layered upon. Okay, so back to toners. Toners often contain ingredients like witch hazel, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, panthenol, exfoliating acids, that's alpha hydroxy acids and beta hydroxy acid. These are meant to hydrate or gently exfoliate. In your skincare regimen, use toner as the second step after cleansing. So you can apply it either with cotton pads or with just your hands. Just make sure your hands are clean, right? Gently pat onto your face and let it absorb before following up with serums, gel treatments, or moisturizers. Typically use it once or twice daily, that is morning and night, but adjust based on your skin type or if it contains active ingredients. All right, with all that said, we know what toners are and what they are meant for. Let's switch focus back to this product right here, FaceFacts Soothing Facial Toner. We're going to highlight its benefits and key features. So number one, soothing and calming. The primary benefit of this toner is its ability to soothe and calm the skin. It is specifically formulated to reduce redness and irritation, making it suitable for sensitive or irritated skin. Second, we have hydration. It helps restore moisture and rehydrate the skin after cleansing, preventing a feeling of dryness or tightness. 3. pH balance. The toner works to restore the skin's natural pH balance, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy and resilient skin barrier. Then we have pore refining. It is designed to help tighten and refine the appearance of enlarged pores, contributing to a smoother complexion. Last but not the least, brightening and smoothing. The product claims to help brighten and smooth the skin for a more radiant complexion. Also, did I mention it is budget friendly? Yes, slightly cheaper than simple soothing facial toner. However, simple toners seem a little bit more premium, like when you compare the package. Okay, now let's get into the ingredients, right? So first we have niacinamide. It's written in front of the product, as you can see right here. Niacinamide is known for its multifunctional properties, including skin brightening, anti-inflammatory, and barrier repair benefits. Then we have chamomile, which is also an anti-inflammatory ingredient that helps to calm the skin. Then moving on, we have aloe vera. It provides soothing and hydrating benefits. We have honeysuckle, which contributes to the formula's ability to refine pores and soothe the skin. Finally, it is an alcohol-free and vegan-friendly formula. It is also free from harsh chemicals and artificial dyes. So with all that said, you must be curious about when to expect results when using this product. By the way, if you've made it this far, please consider liking, subscribing, follow. I appreciate that a lot. Now, about when to expect results, right? Here's what I can tell you. I'll break it down into three, right? So first we have immediate results, second we have short-term results, and then third we have long-term results, right? For immediate results, well, right after application, the skin should feel refreshed, soothed, and hydrated. The toner prepares the skin for subsequent products, which are serums. So a person might notice their serums and moisturizers absorb more effectively. So for short-term results, we're talking about days now, maybe days to a couple of weeks. With consistent use, morning and evening, a person might notice a reduction in redness or irritation, particularly if they have a sensitive skin. The skin should feel more balanced and less prone to dryness or oiliness. Now for the long-term results, right? We're now talking long-term results, weeks to a month or more. The benefits of ingredients like niacinamide and the overall balancing effect of the toner will become more apparent over time. A person can expect a more radiant, smoother complexion and continued reduction in the appearance of pores. It's also important to remember that individual results may vary, right, based on skin type and the consistency of use. As you can see, I've only used a quarter or about half of mine, and honestly I can say I've got no complaints over here. It does feel refreshing and soothing. Also, I love the fact that it does not contain any fragrance. So with all that being said, I hope you've learned something today. Thank you for watching. We'll come to the end of the video, so be sure to like, subscribe, blah blah blah. Until I see you next time, stay glowing.